Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sprite in Scratch to move right, left, up and down using arrow keys. First you have to go to this events tab and take 4 of these when space key is pressed. This is basically a condition. You can choose any key you want, if you can see here. So you can choose any key you want. I am choosing up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. Now I'm going to go to motion and take change x by 10, 2 of them, change y by 10, 2 of them. Now for you to easily understand, I'm going to take a new background, that is XY grid. Now basically this change x by 10 will move your sprite 10 steps in x-axis. So for right arrow, I want my sprite to move 10 steps. Now you can change this and make any numerical value here. But please don't use negative for right arrow as it will move towards the left. Now I'm going to take minus 10 here instead of 10. Now you can see that left arrow makes it move behind and right arrow makes it move forward. Now change y by 10 and change y by 10 should be placed here, and down arrow has to be made as change y by minus 10. Now you can see even the up arrow and down arrow is working. So now you will be able to control your sprite with arrow mark keys. We'll come up with more tutorial ideas soon, so stay turned up. Like and share this video, comment in the comment box about what kind of videos you'll appreciate in the future and subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.